Hello and welcome. I am Patrick Hawkins with the Hawkins Collective with Keller Williams Integrity, and I am standing inside of the Hawkins Collective's newest listing here at 2602 East Strathmore Avenue in the lovely neighborhood of Hamilton and Lauraville, which is located in Baltimore, Maryland. This house has it all. And when I say it has it all, I mean it has it all. It's been completely renovated from top to bottom. New flooring, new bathrooms, new kitchen. There's 4 full bedrooms here, 3 full bathrooms in this house. This house can fit a family of 3 to a family of 5. It has so much room, a fully finished basement, and new systems to give you peace of mind all year round. Let's go take a look. I want you guys to see this house so bad. Let's do it. Let's go take a tour. Thank you for taking that tour. If you have any questions at all for me, if you want to take a private tour through this house in person, let me know. Give us a call, give us a text, send us an email, whatever you have to do. I want you guys to be able to get inside the house if you want to see it. So contact us now. It won't last long. This house is amazing, as you saw. See ya.